Stupa. Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on hilltop at Sanchi, town region district of the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was built for Mumtaz Mahal by Shah Jahan in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Ranakpur Jain Temple or Chaturmukha Dharna Vihar is a Shwetambar Jain temple at Ranakpur is dedicated to Tirthankar Rishabhnath. The temple is located in a village of Ranakpur near Shadri town in the Pali district of Rajasthan. Dal Lake. Dal Lake is a lake in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is an urban lake which is the second largest in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the Lake of Flowers, jewel in the crown of Kashmir or Srinagar jewel. Char Minar. The Char Minar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and is listed among the most recognized structures in India. Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century CE sun temple at Konark, about 35 kilometers northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India. The temple is attributed to King Narsimdev I of Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Ajanta Caves. The first Buddhist cave monument at Ajanta date from the 2nd and 1st centuries BC during the Gupta period. 5th and 6th century AD, located near Ajanta village, north central Maharashtra state, western India. Mahabodhi Temple. The Mahabodhi Temple or the Mahabodhi Mahavira, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an ancient but much rebuilt and restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, marking the location where the Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. Bodh Gaya is about 96 km from Patna, Bihar State, India. Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is one of India's most unique landmarks situated in city of Mumbai. India Gate. The India Gate is a war memorial located astride the Rajpath on the eastern edge of the ceremonial axis of New Delhi, formerly called King's Way.